Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. I want to wish everyone a happy holidays. Hope you had a nice Christmas. It's December 26th, Thursday. Technically it's our fourth day. We're supposed to be doing one strategy per day this week. So this will be our third strategy, seeing as we took yesterday off. So today our strategy that we're going to test out is going to be the CCI and the ATR indicators. Now you can see we've already opened up a sell position on the GBP USD. This is made strictly for scalping techniques. Now ideally what we're looking for here, all right, is anytime the CCI crosses below or above the 100 bars. In general, this is a good indication of where the price action is heading. Now whenever we want to see a little bit beforehand, if we're very, let's say, close to what we're doing. So guys, as you can see, ideally what we're looking for as this scalp trade is hitting our take profit right now is just the ATR to show some sort of life. This gives us an indication that price action is about to occur, and if we combine it with the CCI and we have the right kind of convergence, we notice that, for example, on this particular time frame, that the ATR showed a little more signs of life, started to trick back up, meaning we should see some price action, and the CCI starts to point down. We took a small trade on this. Ideally we would have a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 type of risk to ratio reward since it's a scalp trade. And look, as I said, right now this is closing on a profit of about $50. Nothing wrong with that, but we'll keep you guys updated throughout the day on how this strategy works, and if you like it, apply it and use it first on a demo account and go from there. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the subscribe and the like button and share it with anyone who's interested in waking up tomorrow feeling satisfied about yesterday. Thanks guys, we'll catch up soon.